This is a massive news for NVDA. NVDA stock investors should know this because this gotta be really good. The good news is, of course, that AI is booming and thriving, and we have the confirmation from JP Morgan that JP Morgan states that investment in AI infrastructure are building momentum, and especially in NVIDIA. And this will honestly capitalize and increase 24% annually to the next 5 years. Means every year 24% for the next 5 years. I'm talking about the infrastructure. I'm talking about the investment towards AI. I'm not talking about it in the stock. I'm talking something else. Well, $5 trillion will get added up in AI by 2030. But again, this is not only in NVIDIA, this can be in AMD, Intel, and all, but overall $5 trillion will be added by 2030. This isn't just an estimation, but this can go much higher. This can go 8, 9, even $10 trillion in market investment in AI sector. Again, guys, if you are planning to invest in NVIDIA, honestly, I think NVIDIA is one of the best stock to invest. Again, also know that market conditions are absolutely different, but if you try and hold that, you can invest for the long term, and you don't have to day trade, you don't have to swing trade if you really have limited amount of money. This is just a tip and idea from my side, because I honestly suggest myself that if I am buying NVIDIA, I will not go heavier on the margin or on the leverage side, because the stock might flush down even to $85 and in the worst case scenarios. But if it doesn't, honestly, it's absolutely good, absolutely better, because of the rate cuts on all this election, all this kind of stuff going. We don't want to take a risk in NVIDIA or in any kind of stock. Especially I'm talking about NVIDIA because it's one of the most volatile stock in stock market, and you don't want to lose money in stock market. You are here to make money in the stock market, guys. If you want to make money consistently, the link is down in the description. You can join the Patreon and you can join our group Discord. We trade every single day, day trade, swing trade, and also long term. And on the other hand, for more clean and special updates, you can join the membership of YouTube also if you want. So overall on NVIDIA, I would invest in NVIDIA purely based on the cash, using just a little bit margin, but not a lot. Because I don't want to take a risk. But when the market is clear, of course, I might be adding more and more position as possible. But I don't want to be greedy. I don't want to get caught up. I don't want to be a bag holder for a long time, because the market conditions are a little bit shaky right now. For now, they might get stabilized. Honestly, NVIDIA, I'm focusing on NVIDIA more because it's one of the most volatile stock. Again, I'm repeating this. So AI overall in NVIDIA is booming, and NVIDIA will add $1.2 trillion in coming next 3 years in AI sector. I'm not talking again about the stock. I'm talking about something else. Sorry, not in the next 3 years, by 2030. So this NVIDIA can do. This video is only for education purposes, not for financial advice. It's not for your entertainment. It's only for education purpose only. So guys, if you're planning to invest in NVIDIA, I think you can add more and more shares, but not a lot. You can pile up little by little, but not a lot, so you don't get caught up in one stock and you just become a bag holder. Of course, it's a very quality stock, but again, we want to just circulate money in the stock market so you can just accumulate much profit as possible. So thank you so much for watching. Probably see you in the next video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and come down to the group. Believe me, you will gonna love it. By trading with us, by every single day, you will make profit. You will fall in love. So probably see you in the group, and see you next time.